Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this floating effect in CapCut. So if you want to make your videos look mind-blowing with a floating effect, in this tutorial, I'll show you the step-by-step on how we can get the floating effect in CapCut. So first, what you need to do is just tap on new project and add the video that you want to edit. So in this case, I'm going to open this video. Okay, this is the main video. And now what you need to do next is just add the images as overlay. You can add more than one if you want to. So in here, I'm going to tap on overlay, add overlay, then add the images. Let's say I'm going to add this three. You can tap on add, and now just remove the background. So here click on the images and tap on remove background, and here click on the custom removal and choose the object. Okay, you can just repeat the steps if you have more than one images. That's one. Okay, now once the object is the background is removed, you can just put the object in the positions that you want. So here I'm going to adjust the size first, and you can just click on the first image and go to effects, click on the video effects, and apply the play pendulum effect to the images. Click on it, and now you can see the image will be floating just like this. You can adjust the speed if you want to. I'm going to just go with 35. Now you can just tap on the check icon, and if you want to, you can also add animations to the image so that it will become a more dynamic. You can add like slide down or slide left. It's up to you. Let's try the slide down, this one. Okay, you can click on a check icon, and now you can apply the same effects and animations to the other images. Okay, now I've already applied animations and also effects to all of the images, and this is the result. So that's how you can apply floating effect in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.